So we just lost about 10 pounds. We removed both resonators off the back. So what we'll do next is take this to the muffler shop, have them fab up a piece of 3-inch pipe coming off that 2.5. Come all the way back here. We're going to be putting on MBRP quad tips. The part number is T5182CF, and these are side specific. So the other side is T5183CF, and these will be replacing. They'll go here like this, and they will be replacing these ugly factory, cell phone charging ports. All right, so we just got the truck back from the muffler shop yesterday. They installed the 3-inch inlet, 4-inch outlet MBRP tips. So we have replaced those factory phone charging port chrome tips, and basically all they did was welded in a piece of 3-inch pipe joined to the factory 2.5, and we'll do a cold start. Now, as I mentioned before, this is still the factory muffler, factory catalytic converters. I do have the flapper valve on the muffler wired open. There are some other videos that kind of show you how to do that, but it's basically that valve right there. It's just a flapper in there, not really a valve, but you can wire it always open, and it gives it a little throatier sound to it. Basically all I did was just took a piece of angle, 2 pipe clamps, and twisted it open and tightened it down. But we'll do just a quick cold start and just kind of a few revs. Now, what I have noticed is that you notice this the most right at 1500 RPMs. Other than that, higher RPMs is not tremendously loud inside the truck, and mostly at idle and 1500 is where you notice the biggest difference. And as an added bonus, here's what this truck's 37-year-old brother sounds like, with no cats and a 2-into-1 single muffler dumped directly under the cab. Obviously, as you can see from the cab corners, rocker panels, doors, rear quarter. Obviously this truck needs some work. It is my trash truck that gets driven about once a week, but runs and drives great for a 37-year-old truck. I've replaced the seat cover, headliner, and currently has 84,000 miles on it. I'm the second owner of this truck, and it had 78,000 when I got it. So other than the dash, just about got the interior right.